So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add borders to your tables in Excel and also do some coloring to make your data look nice and beautiful. Now, here I have some data. Let's say, for example, you have your employees' names here, then you have the department that you work in, the sales they have done on this year, then the targets they have. So I want us to edit this table and add borders in there. So the first thing you have to do is you highlight the whole table. To add borders, you highlight the whole table. Then you go to the home tab up here. Then click on it. Then you will go here. You will see this ribbon appear here. Then you'll go to this section where you have a group of information. Then you pick on this drop down menu. Then you can see a group of different options here. Then you can click on all borders like that. Then if you want, you can see now all the borders have been added to your data. Then if you want to see if you've added your borders, you can just go to this view tab here, then remove the grid lines and click on the grid lines. Then you click anywhere, then you can see your table has been well formatted using the borders on all section. Then the next thing that I want us to do is we can also highlight the headers that we have. Then we can bold them. You can also change the font size, the font type that you want. Let's say, for example, Times New Romance. All the font types are here. Then you can also increase the font type of your work to make just sure that you are working with what you want. Then after you have bordered your headers, you can also change, you can center them, you can also put them in the left side, you can align them on the left of your cells. Then from there, the next thing that I want us to do is to color this header section. You can highlight it the way I've done, then go to this icon here, go to the home tab, go to this icon here, click on it, then you can pick either blue one background, click on it, you can see the color has been added. Then you can also decide, since this is a blue and it goes well with white, you can decide to color your words or your headers using the white, just where you go to here, you click on that, then you pick the white color. Then you can see our table is now becoming nice. It looks good. And I also want to customize my tables and the colors and all that, the whole data. You can highlight the whole data, go to the home tab, then go to this section that says format as table, click on it. Then you can pick the color that you want your table to look like. For example, I can pick this one. Then where this is the data for your table, so it has highlighted the whole range from A1 to D5. Then you can make sure you also check this part that says my table has headers, because you have the headers in there. Then click OK. Once you click OK, yeah, your table will change. You can even change your style here by just clicking on the style that you want, or you can also find your table design. You go to this, you click on the table design, then you choose any colors that you want your table to look like. Then once you apply them, you can see your table looks nice like this. You can also, if you want to customize your tables, you can highlight the whole thing like this, go back to this section, add borders. Then you can select more borders, click on that. Then from here you can customize your color, your alignment, your fill. So let's say, for example, I want to go to automatic. Let me just leave it automatic like that. But at the same time, you can select any color that you want from this section. Let me say I want to use this color, the red one. Then the outline, I want to put it you can put it the outline inside or outside. It depends. Let me say, for example, I put it inside like that, then click OK. Then come here and click anywhere. You can see the outside border is red. You can also go back, change the coloring and do all sorts of stuff. You can also condition your data. You can condition your data and put different colorings in here by highlighting this data like this. Then you can go to home, go to condition, then you can pick the color scale that you want your table to look like, so that your data looks nice with different colors, just click on that. Then you can see your table has different colors in it. So that was so easy, and I hope that you have understood the the adding borders on your data and also coloring your data or your the headers that you have in your table to make sure that your table looks nice. So please make sure if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you prompt me to produce more or make more videos like this so that we can get to understand Excel in a more deeper way. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment, and you share with your friends if need be. Thank you. See you in the next video.